Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, the main market closed at 364,976.44 points on August 19th, recording a week-over-week appreciation of 0.5%, while the junior market lost 124 points or 4.7%. Overall, this resulted in the combined index advancing by 0.1%. Year to date, it is down 27.4%. Salada Foods Jamaica Limited has advised that effective September 1, 2020, it will be required to include 30% local coffee versus the 10% currently used in its instant coffee formula. Salada has noted that this amendment, as stipulated by the Jamaica Agricultural Commodities Regulatory Authorities, will increase its cost of sales and affect the taste of its product. On the money market, in last week's 30-day CD auction, the Bank of Jamaica's $5.5 billion offer was more than twice oversubscribed, with just over half of the bids being successful. The average yield on the successfully allocated bids was 0.59%, 2 basis points lower than a week prior. On the bond market, the enthusiasm that was being reflected in the US capital markets previously came to an end on August 14th as investors assessed the release of economic data and determined what it meant about the state of economic recovery. While retail sales declined significantly in July, labor-related data indicated increased productivity and industrial production. On the geopolitical side, US and China tensions escalated on the 18th when the Trump administration suggested that US college and university endowments divest of their Chinese holdings due to potential delisting risks, sending investors flocking to safety. Fears eased slightly when House Speaker Nancy Pelosi suggested that Democrats might be willing to make cuts to the new relief package, increasing the likelihood of a congressional deal on the COVID-19 stimulus package. Overall, the yield on the benchmark US 10-year Treasury closed 1 basis point higher on August 19th, at 0.68% than the August 12th close. On the foreign exchange market, after a few weeks' break, the Bank of Jamaica intervened in the market, supplying US $30 million. The supply was restricted to end users and non-financial clients, but nonetheless positively impacted rates. On August 19th, the broker market closed at Jamaican $151 to $1 US, a 70-cent depreciation of the local dollar in comparison to the August 12th close. The Bank of Jamaica's weighted average selling rate followed suit, closing at $151.27 on the 19th, a $1.26 weekly depreciation. Year to date, the Jamaican dollar is down 12.4%. Contact your VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.